Today let's talk about how to gain a foothold in the fiercely competitive craft beer market and even stand out. Data shows that the number of brewery closures increased by 82% in 2023, which shows that the challenges are not small, but it also means that there is room to do better. The following points are crucial for friends who want to open a brewery. First, find the right market positioning and identify the subdivisions that have not been fully explored, such as specialty beer or localized flavors. Walk on multiple legs. Don't just rely on selling beer. Do wholesale direct sales and peripheral products, so that the risk is dispersed and more stable. Secondly, the business plan must be well written. The financial forecast must be detailed, and how to attract investment must be considered. Find a knowledgeable consultant to help you polish the plan to be both practical and attractive. The work process must be continuously optimized, and every link from raw materials to finished products must be refined. Safety and quality control cannot be ignored, which is the foundation of survival. Now is the digital age. Online promotion and brand image are indispensable. Moreover, your beer story must be moving and memorable. Finally, don't forget that safety always comes first, and employee training and emergency preparedness should not be left behind. In addition, the design of the brewery must be scientific, taking into account production efficiency and regulatory requirements, and leaving room for future expansion. Equipment selection must also be cautious, within one's means, and consider the long term. If you need beer equipment, Tiantai experts can tailor a solution for you to help you create beer equipment that is both personalized and suitable for the development of your brewery, allowing your brewery to thrive in today's dynamic market.